governor is secondary. It is something that I have not given a serious consideration. Nevertheless, that does not mean I am too young or lack experience to run. Whereas those who have been before me are not prepared.
Yes, your Dr. Master who blow at 78 True TV. The shy guy, your fine guy. The voice was for the voiceless for inside Jigule. Your guy don't come today. Lagos State House of Assembly. Tori now will bring come on our table. Chai, they don't serve one of their own breakfast. They say, your guy don't come. Wait that the year don't too much. And they say, about one man, how person go say, he use 17 billion to do gates. Now they go import the gate from heaven. I be the raw material, the iron them. I been from China or Control or Chinchanchu. Now they say import and come. They go say don't be only that one. Say you get some katakata we don't do. Supposed to don't inaugurate. I mean screen them last sec them inaugurate screen them since June. Some even say chai. I try to even follow and talk with governor. They won't try setting the katakata. Papa don't still agree because he's supposed to go present the budget where they don't already go through it for the house. Make governor assign the signature. Papa still form bows and there's chai. They no one katakata. And Baba go for holiday. Baba do obodo ibo in the US. Now they serve Baba breakfast. Chai. I know say Baba go don't enter the available flights now. They try one meet up. Say wait, he no believe it high. But this one a lesson for all of us. Say any position where you dey, I beg. Make we dey take am easy. Make you dey take am jeje. No be you be overall. No be you be everything. No be you be oga matter. Some people dey wey be say they listen to their advice and all that. All these things wey they put for in table, then they take come out and way. They come say one woman now and don't replace am. And they talk about Lagos State House of Assembly katakata with the trend now. The katakata with the shell where they tell you move. The Speaker of the House, Right Honorable Mudashiru Obasa, they serve them better breakfast. They come to go bring Honorable Merinda, Honorable Mrs. Merinda from Apapa constituency 1, I end up become Lagos State Speaker. They don't show I'm in. So no story again. You young guys or God people then when they come cry, they say that the bulls are not to them, say that them the vulgar them with their chest where they won't come to the Duke of the inside assembly gate. Now they put them for Black Maria. As they put them for Black Maria, now you go they go put them inside cooler. So make we say Lagos na peaceful state. Na peaceful state. Yeah, I know say they don't try resolve this issue and all that. I beg, let power no push us. As they don't serve Oga Obaza breakfast, better one, better hot soup, and they serve them so they don't get new speaker will be woman. And the next time where woman will be Lagos State speaker be that. They say they use this thing to balance the equation. If you watch the governor, na man, deputy governor, na man. They come say, obìnrin ti ṣe ohun rere o, obìnrin ti ṣe ohun rere. They come bring obìnrin wey ṣe ohun rere. It's okay, make woman self take balance am. Now talk master, blow at 78 True TV. We go try, go to some of our guys them make they explain the real scenario for us. But for now, Honorable Mrs. Merida, no, Mama, no verso. Na Mirinda be other one man no talk am. Now he be speaker now for Lagos State House of Assembly and Mama come from her papa. He come from her papa. Na in day. So this matter na in the trend now. We never know wetin. We never hear from the Obasa dem camp and all that. And one important thing be say, they say now all the assembly member that is too hard for this matter. All of them are inside say, I made them serve on the breakfast. Papa go there. They come out for sin, obviously they come out for life now. Make him say go rest more, you know easy. Papa say don't enjoy. Now you talk master who blow at 78 True TV.